Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete a Glassdoor review. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. We have the community where you can go and post, so you can see other people's posts for you and trending and all of those. You can comment, like, share them or whatever you want to do. We also have the jobs where you can see and find some jobs here. So basically your job search starts here. Find a role that's right for you. You can find your perfect job, put the location and try finding that. We have companies where you can go and try to have, if you have an employee in mind, you can search for a company here. So find a workplace that works for you. We have salaries, where you can see, are you paid fairly? So you can find out. You have your job title that you can put in, locations, and in the top right corner, we have your profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to delete a Glassdoor review. Well, it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically you need to sign into your Glassdoor account, click on the Glassdoor profile icon located in the top right corner of the site, basically this, and then click contributions. On the left hand side, click the type of contribution you wish to delete, click delete and the contribution and it will be of course deleted. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be guys seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.